So once again, I welcome to all my dear students in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Mahua, Standard 8, Subject English, Semester 2, Unit 1, Writing about Writing. So my dear students, in the previous session we discussed about Tom and his friend. Tom, who was painting wall, who got punishment to paint wall, and Jim, his friend, who was going to bring water. But when Aunt Polly came, then both were doing their work, leaving other matters. Till here we saw. Now write your idea of what happened. Okay, that we know. Okay, this is a class activity. When Aunt Polly came at that time, Tom started to work to paint the wall, and Jim started to run away from there and filling water. Share your idea with the classmates. Find one classmate who has a different idea from yours. Write your classmates' idea. Okay, this is a class activity. Okay, that you can do yourself. Now, activity number 2. Read the story. Strong desire, wise action. From the Adventure of Tom Sawyer by Mark Twain, Part 2. Tom kept working, but soon he began to think of the fun planned for this day. Now, Tom, who was punished, who got punishment, okay, that we saw in first part. Now how he got punishment? That while painting, while working, he was thinking. He and Huck had planned to race down to the river and go swimming. Here two friends, Tom and Huck, they both decided to go in a river and swim there without permission, without getting permission from Aunt Polly, without asking her. His hands moved more slowly, and he was thinking, and then afterwards painting. So his hand was also moving very slowly. Soon, the other boys would come and laugh at him for working. Then, when he was thinking, because without permission, he and Huck went for swimming. That is why Aunt Polly gave punishment. So at that time, when he was thinking and doing his work, other boys came there. They came, laughed at him for working. For this, for his pocket, he took everything that he owned. And for going out from this punishment, whatever he was having in his pocket, he took everything that he owned. He looked at it. There was nothing of real value. It was not enough to buy another boy's help. Now earlier we know that how he was tempting Jim, that I will give a plaything if you paint instead of me, or I will show my injury. Now like that he was thinking for other boys. So from his pocket he took everything. He has taken everything, whatever he had, and given the other children. He looked at it and he was looking at it. There was nothing of real value. He understood that. Now I could not think for this. It was not enough to buy another boy's help. Now I cannot buy any other thing to get this help. So at that time, at this dark moment, a wonderful idea came to him. It was like a great bright light. Then afterwards, all of a sudden, one great idea came to him. He took his brush and went quietly to work. Then he decided that I should do something. So very quickly, he took the brush and then quietly he started his work. Now what was his idea? That we will come to know later on. At that time, first person, Ben Roger appeared soon. Ben Roger was seen. Tom had been especially afraid of Ben's laugh. Tom was afraid of Ben's laugh because Ben was having some strange and peculiar laugh. Okay, now, then after what happens, that we will see later on. Okay, so my dear student, here we will stop. Here is the end of today's session. We will continue later on. Thank you very much.